Here in the I button and the description box below, you will get complete playlist of partial differential equation. Welcome to video number 24, and in this particular video we are going to solve most important problem of this topic, that is homogeneous linear equation with constant coefficients. And the question that we are going to solve in this particular video is this. Okay, but before I start, if you go to the playlist from video number 19 to video number from video number 19 to video number 28, you are going to see up to 26, you are going to see these 8 problems, and all these problems are very important. Okay, so let us start with this problem. Okay, the question says solve 4 times del square z upon del x square minus 4 times del square z upon del x del y plus del square z upon del y square equals to 16 log x plus 2y. Okay, here you can see in each of the terms we have order of derivative as 2. Okay, order of derivative as 2, that is homogeneous linear equations. And why this problem is very important, because here the function of x and y is log. Okay, here we have log function of x and y. So very we here we need to use the general method. So let us see how to apply the general method for pi, that is particular integral. Given partial differential equation in the symbolic form is represented by 4 into, here we have x square, so simply write d square, minus 4 into, here we have x and y both, okay, with power 1. So here we will use d into d dash, plus here we have y square, so simply write d dash square into z equals to 16 log x plus 2y. Fine. Now we need to find the complementary function, but before finding complementary function we need to write the auxiliary equation. Its auxiliary equation is given by, yes, we will take this part, okay, which is in bracket, and simply put d equals to m and d dash equals to 1. Okay, so this will become 4 into m square minus 4 into m into 1, that is minus 4 into m, plus 1 square, that is 1, equals to 0. Simply equate this with to 0. Now if you closely observe this, this is what? This is a minus b whole square, where a is 2m and b is 1. So this is going to be 2m minus 1 whole square. Now this equal to 0. So here you will get m equals to half comma half. Now from these we came to know that the roots are repeated. Okay, since m equals to half, so we can say the roots are repeated. So how to write complementary function when the roots are repeated? Let us see. If any two roots are repeated, okay, if any two roots are repeated, in that case what is CF? That is f1 of y plus m1x plus x. Okay, here we need to multiply x into f2 of y plus m1x. Okay, what is the value of m1? That is half. So CF equals to f1 of y plus x by 2 plus x into f2 of y plus x by 2. This is the complementary function for the given partial differential equation. Now we need to find the PI, that is particular integral, and that is the most important part of this video. Okay, so first of all we need to write PI equals to in this format. Okay, how we can write in this format? Because in the problem, in the given problem, we have this. Okay, so if you see, while writing auxiliary equation, I simply took this part which is in bracket, and I put d equals to m and d dash equals to 1, and I got this, that is 4m square minus 4m plus 1. On solving this you will get this, that is 2m minus 1 whole square. Now write the reverse form. Okay, so in place of m simply put d, in place of 1 simply put d dash. So this is going to be 2d minus d dash whole square. Okay, so here we have 2 into d minus d dash whole square into this part, that is function of x and y, 16 log x plus 2y. Okay, now here we need to have this in this format, that is d minus m d dash, but here we have 2d, so we need to take this 2 out of this bracket, but here we have square, so here we will get 4 out of this bracket. If you take this 2 out of this bracket, you will get 4. So 4 into d minus d dash upon 2 into, okay, that is whole square of this into 16 of log x plus 2y. Now simply separate this, that is 4 16 cancel, here we have 4, so here we have 4 into 1 upon this into this, okay, because here we have square, so 1 upon d minus half d dash into, within this bracket we will write 1 upon d minus half d dash into this part, that is log of x plus 2y. Now since here we have this part is which is in this form, that is d minus m d dash, and if you compare both you will get that is m equals to what, half, okay, m equals to half. So simply in place of this we will take integration sign, okay, this part is as it is, if you see this part is as it is, in place of this we'll put integration sign and we will integrate this with respect to x, but while before integrating we need to put y equals to c minus mx, okay, and after integration simply put c equals to y plus mx, okay. So in place of this we'll integrate log x plus, in place of 2y we will put y equals to c minus half x, okay. So in place of y what we need to put is c minus half x, so here c minus half x. Now don't forget to write this dx here. Now simply for this part is as it is, integration x log of x plus 2c, okay, minus 2 into half, that is 1 into x dx, okay. Now here x gets cancelled, what is left, that is 4 into 1 upon d minus half d dash, here we have log of 2c dx. Now log of 2c is what, constant, so integration of dx will be x, so this will become 4 into 1 upon d minus half d dash x into log c. Now after integration we need to replace this c, okay. So if you take 2 as LCM, this will become y equals to 2c minus x. Now if you take that LCM to this, to the left hand side, you will get 2, okay. So instead of writing uh, okay, here we have 2c, so in place of 2c we can write x, if you take this x here this will become x plus 2y, so in place of 2c we can write x plus 2y. So here 4 into 1 upon d minus half d dash, here we have x into log of, in place of 2c we need to write x plus 2y, so here we have x into log of x plus 2y. Now again we will solve for this, if you compare this with this, again you will get x equals to what, m equals to what, half, that is m equals to 1 by 2, okay, m equals to what, 1 by 2. So we need to repeat this again because the value of m is same, okay. So 4 into integration of x into log of x plus 2 into, in place of y we need to put c minus half of x, here again dx. So 4 into integration of x log x plus 2 into c minus 2 into half, that is 1 into x dx. Again x gets cancelled, what is left, that is x 4 integration x log 2c, okay, dx. Now log 2c is what, constant, so 4 into log 2c integration x into dx. Now integration of x with respect to integration of x, okay, with respect to x will become x square upon 2, so here we will have 2, so simply write this as 2 into x square into log of 2c, and in place of 2c we can write that is y plus x plus 2y, so in place of 2c we'll put x plus 2y, and this is what, this is the value of pa, that is particular integral, okay. So here we have particular integral as this, that is 2 into x square log of x plus 2y, and we already have the value of CF, that is complementary function, as these two functions. So finally we can say that is the complete solution for this particular partial differential equation is given by z equals to CF plus PI, where CF is these two functions, that is f1 of y plus x upon 2 plus x into f2 of y plus x upon 2 plus this part is PI, that is particular integral 2x square log of x plus 2y, and this is my final answer, okay. Thank you so much.